To break, here's what may be happening if you have a low rumbling sound from your car in this week's Auto Matters.
Auto Matters is brought to you by Select Collision.
Every car makes sounds as it's driving, but some sounds aren't supposed to be there. And one to keep your ear open for is coming from your wheels. Some folks call these your hubs, others call them bearings, but what's important to know is that they're what holds your wheel onto your car. And if they start grumbling and groaning, that's a very bad thing. So what does it sound like? Well, a low rumbling or a roaring sound. It'll often change depending on speeds too. And if you let it go for a long time, you may even start to hear a clicking sound as the bearings are grinding on each other in there. This is a serious safety issue, and it's one you shouldn't wait on. Have it checked out by one of our trusted car care pros right away.
Every car that leaves our facility is our rolling business card, and we understand that our customers' time is incredibly valuable, and we want to make sure everything is as convenient as it can be for them and they can get their car back as quickly as possible so that they can get back on the